Hi everyone, Agnes here. Now, I know many of you are struggling with relationships. Brand new ones, trying to get one. It might be that you're in a relationship and it's not going very well. It might be that you're trying to attract an ex back or a specific person. All of this difficulty, trouble is rooted in your self-love and not being in enough of it. So, if you want to correct the foundation of what is going on, if you want to really work on what it is that's giving you all these problems in relationships, if you are ready to stop looking for shortcuts, if you are ready to be in a place of humility and to learn what you need to correct and fix within yourself to have not only a wonderful relationship, but to have peace in your soul, peace inside yourself, feeling happy, relaxed, joyful, loved. If you would like to have that and you are nowhere near that, then you might want to consider joining me for the live self-love course. It is for 10 weeks. We're going to be doing it every Sunday, starting this Sunday, the 13th of October, from 4 till 5 p.m. UK time. And we're going to deal with these issues and we're going to work through them and we're going to set up a weekly plan for you to follow by the time we end the course. Okay? Stop looking for band-aids, stop looking for a quick fix, and do the work. Okay? The work is the self-love and the work is correcting this trying to get love from another person to make you feel loved. The work is getting yourself into a state of love and knowing how to do it consistently. So, if you would like to join me, the details are all down below in the description, and I will see those of you that are ready on Sunday at 4 p.m. London, UK time. Lots of love, and I will see you there.